The county attorney there addressing the media after his team successfully came back with guilty verdicts in this case. It was a bench trial. At the end of the day, they seem to be very okay as well with the judge's decision today, mentioning that even if one of the family members didn't know what the correct decision would be, and the judge in this case, also with the name Russo, no relation, assuming, obviously, she said this is best served 15 to life. She'll be eligible after 15 years, will the defendant, and then it's up to a parole board. Michael Jaaffar's been watching along, and Michael, so, you know, after 15 years, she needs to demonstrate to a parole board that she is ready to re-enter society, meaning that over the next decade and a half, she's going to have to comport herself in a certain manner.
Yeah, she has to show them that she has been rehabilitated and that her chance of reoffending is nothing, and that she appreciates her conduct and what she did. Basically, it's got to be a mea culpa. And I don't think this girl will have an issue doing that, because this is her first offense. This was something that happened in a split second. She was a kid when it happened. So I don't think she's going to have a difficult time. I mean, there are people who have committed, heinous crimes. By the time they, reach the parole board, they have a record and they still are able to get out. So I don't think she's going to have an issue doing it. I agree with the prosecutor. I mean, he said something that, I agree with. He said even one of the parents of the victims didn't even know what the sentence should be. And that's what we've all noticed. How do you sentence a 17-year-old kid for something like this? She doesn't even know what happened, and I believe it. She was in the hospital for weeks. So, and what was her motive? He didn't say that, but what I was thinking to myself is, what motive did she have to do this, other than potential suicide? But nobody discussed the motive. She didn't stand to gain from this in any way, shape, or form. This was a senseless act of violence, where she was involved as well. So I think it was the right sentence, and I think she'll probably be out in 20 years.